Okay, so right now I'm waiting on parts for this, mostly cam retainer plate. Talk about that later. So while I'm waiting for parts on this, you're gonna go ahead and start breaking the heads down, clean up, check the valve guides. I have new valve seals that came with my kit. So to pull these, you take your spring compressor tool, compress this valve spring down. Pull the keeper. Make sure the valve is up. Valve keepers. And you should. I don't know, maybe I should have ran them through a shop. I'm going to clean these up as best as I can. I got some lapping compound. We'll lap the valves. Made this handy dandy so I can keep passenger side, head, front, keep the valves in order. Does it matter? I don't know, but it's what I'm going to do. Valve spring is off, super loaded up. Valve seal. Could be better, I guess. I'm going to replace all those. Whew. The sludge. Oily sludge. So, I'm going to break this head down. Get all my parts set aside. Let me spray some more cleaner on this cylinder head. And scrape the crud off the outside. When you don't use a funnel, when you fill your oil, you end up with this. So pretty gross. Alright. Okay, got the first head broken down. It's pretty gross. Guides, the valve guides felt pretty smooth. Taking the valve out. Pretty darn gross. And these combustion chambers. But let it soak. And then we'll try to get it cleaned up a little bit. These guys, man, I tell you this. I don't know what I'm going to do to get those cleaned up. Like something. So I'm waiting on some parts. Figured I'd go ahead and start breaking down the top end and cleaning them. I'm going to lap the valves. I've already done this head and reassembled it. New valve seals. So go ahead and knock this out. And then one step closer to putting this thing together. So, alright, slip this up. So like what I do, I said this is just how I'm doing it. Not a lot. It's too much material. That. I've noticed, seems like the back sides of the exhaust valves are in worse shape than the intake valves are. Now watch out, this is going to get shaky. Good for it. Just take this. Could be better, but I guess it could be worse. These all have to come out and get cleaned. This intake to clean up way easier than the exhausts. Like the exhaust valves are pitted almost. You professionals out there are probably just holding your heads in shame as I hack but this is what I'm doing. I don't know, I tried old school and it just weren't cleaning up, which is probably a good indicator that they should have gone to the machine shop. Don't think it's going to get much better. That's fine. Let's do this 6 more times. Valve lapping.